Type hints in Namedtuple. Consider following piece of code. The code above is just a way to demonstrate as to what I am trying to achieve. I would like to make Namedtuple with type hints. Do you know any elegant way how to achieve result as intended?
You can use typing.namedtuple from the docs. Typed version of Namedtuple. This is present only in Python 3.5 onwards.
The preferred syntax for a typed Namedtuple since Python 3.6 is starting with Python 3.7, consider using a dataclasses.
Just to be fair, Namedtuple from typing equals to classic Namedtuple. So, Namedtuple is just syntax sugar for Namedtuple. Below, you can find a creating Namedtuple function from the source code of Python 3.10. As we can see, it uses collections.nametuple constructor and adds ___ annotations ___ from extracted types.